So today I have the August Manny and Me box. This is the more expensive box, $25 each month. They do have a smaller box, which I think is maybe 12, and it doesn't include the stamping polishes. So here we have this month's theme. So it talks about the different things that are in this box. We also have this card. They always include a card that gives you an idea of what to do with all your supplies for the month. And this one's pretty neat. I think it's pretty advanced, so not for people who, stamp very often, but I would definitely try it on a finger. So inside the box, we'll start with the stamping polishes. So we have 2 this month. The first one is this. It's a pretty watermelon color. Then we have this green, which they call rind. 2 colors I don't own in my collection, so I'm totally happy to get those. They always include this stamping guide. It's the same every single month. They should probably just do this on the first box, maybe not include it, save the paper. I'm always mentioning how to save paper and in each of my subscriptions. Here's the plate, the first one. You do get 2. As you can see, we have the picnic theme going on. Lots of little designs to add on there, food themed. We also have some patterns, have that watermelon they showed in the card. And then this plate, I really think I like this one the most because of those top patterns. I think those would be really pretty accent nails, and also very easy to work with. So I think I like that plate the most. And then lastly, in addition to the polishes and the plates, you always get one accessory. And this month it is this glass file and cuticle pusher. I have never used a glass file or a cuticle pusher, so I'm excited to try this. Usually use the wooden sticks in terms of cuticle pushing and just your normal kind of flat file. So that's very nice to have in the box. So just to wrap up, you have your plates, as well as your 2 stamping polishes and that nail file. Again, with this idea, which I think is a brilliant idea to give people ideas what to do with their supplies. And that's this month's box.